Ayan, magandang araw mga kababayan ko. Andito tayo sa loob ng mall dito sa Bonifacio Global City dito sa Taguig. Dadaanan lang natin ito for curiosity ay tayo ay tumigil, nagpark at pumasok tayo dito sa loob. Kung ano ang itsura nitong mall nito, kung anong makikita natin dito. Pero ayan, nandito na nga tayo sa loob at syempre bago tayo kumala pa more ay bago natin malibot lahat ang loob nito ay yung mga bago dito sa ating channel, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe at isama nyo na rin ang bell icon dyan para kung meron tayong mga bagong gala, bagong pupuntahan o kung ano man ang ating ganap ay updated kayo sa pagpindot dyan sa bell icon na yan, mano-notify kayo. So ayan, nandito nga po tayo sa loob. Subukan ninyong pumunta dito pag kayo ay napagawi dito sa Bonifacio Global City. Kung meron kayong gustong bilhin, baka makikita nyo dito sa loob dito. Maraming klase dito, mga bag, may mga sapatos, yung mga usual na nakikita nyo sa mall. Pero syempre, yung paligid niya ay iba-iba naman ang mga itsura ng mga mall, diba? Kahit na sabihin natin puro mall ay iba-iba, hindi pare-pareho yung team nila, yung yari nila. Yan. Ito ay napaka tingnan, cool tingnan sa loob. At tahimik din, hindi siya ganun karaming tao. Hindi ko lang alam pagka weekend kasi ngayon ay araw ng Huwebes pagpunta natin. So yun, dito lang ito sa Taguig, Bonifacio Global City. Malapit siya sa Grand Hyatt Hotel at dito sa may Landers din, BGC, malapit ito, malapit din sa Uptown Mall. Ayan, bago lang itong mall na to, wala pa yatang 1 taon o 1 taon mahigit. At Japanese mall, sa pangalan na lang Mitsukoshi. Hindi ko alam kung na-pronounce ko ng tama, basta yun ang basa ko. Kung kayo nga pala ay may sasakyan na papunta dito, may parking dito sa basement niya at malawak yung parking. So tara, ikot-ikot tayo dito.
myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in the heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So ayan, dito na nagtatapos ang ating paggala dito sa loob ng Mitsukushi Mall. Ayan. At maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.